Hello everyone, today we're going back to the Rattleback. I have some questions that people write me, so let me show you again the Rattleback. It's rotate, if you rotate it clockwise, it starts to rattle and then turn anti-clockwise. If you rotate it anti-clockwise, it's no problem. It's rotating once again. If you rotate it clockwise, it starts to rattle and turn back. But then you can make your own Rattleback from a spoon. So I make a Rattleback from a spoon. I curve the tail of the spoon so to be a Rattleback. Let me show you. So if I rotate it clockwise, it starts to rattle and turn around, turn back. But if I actually rotate it anti-clockwise, it also starts to rattle and it turns back. So it's a double Rattleback. I made a double Rattleback. Rotate it clockwise, it starts to rattle and turn back. And if I rotate it anti-clockwise, it starts to rattle and turn back. See, it's a double Rattleback. This one is only one direction. It starts to rattle only clockwise and turn back. But if I rotate it anti-clockwise, it doesn't start to rattle, it's just rotating anti-clockwise. But this one is double Rattleback. Okay, so you can make your own Rattleback or double Rattleback if you take the spoon and curve the tail, so not to be in the middle, but on purpose to be asymmetric, so the center of the mass is shifted, and it's to be a Rattleback. And then if you play a little bit longer, you can make it a double Rattleback. Okay. So if you like it, you can subscribe to the channel, don't forget to give a thumb up, and see you again, bye!